Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. If you are new, please subscribe it. Today I will talk about this trading strategy. I've been uploading videos about this trading strategy that I apply in this broker, Olymp Trade. I think is one of the most effective strategy that you can apply in this market. Alright, so let me explain to you how this trading strategy works. Okay, on the meantime, allow me to tell you that below this video there's a link to a complete tutorial about this broker. If you are completely new and haven't opened an account, you can see that tutorial to start from the beginning. So guys, for example, we have the price touching the lower bollinger band, and we we have the CCI indicator on the oversold zone. So this is a signal to go up. So we just need to wait $15 for 1 minute, 1 minute expiration. So as I was explaining to you at the beginning, whenever the price touch the lower Bollinger Band, we can consider to go up. Okay, but we need to confirm it with the overbought, oversold zone in the CCI. A much better, much better and effective if we have the CCI on the oversold zone. We lost this one, guys. Why? Because we entered the trade a little bit late, like 10 seconds after this candlestick, 10 or 20 seconds after. The ideal buying point is exactly when this candlestick was closed. The last candlestick that made this low, that was the ideal buy point, but it's okay. On the next trade, I will enter $30. Yes, just right here. So as you can see, just when this candlestick, which is the candlestick making a new low, close, just at the close, if you make the entry at the close, you will have this room to win this trade. So we won the first one, and now we are winning the second one too, which is the $30 trade. So please take in consideration the time that you enter the trade, just to avoid losing the trade for 10 or 5 seconds. Okay guys, as you can see, we won this one too, because we took the exact time for the trade. Let me check another pair. Let me see what the price is doing on other pairs. Remember to trade only the pairs that offer 80% or more. Okay, we had an opportunity here. You can see here that the price went lower the Bollinger Bands, and also went to the oversold zone on the CCI indicator. Remember, both indicators, the Bollinger Bands and also the CCI, are set to the default setting. As you can see, 20 period and 2 standard deviation, and also in the CCI 20 periods. But remember, we have this icon here. If you click on it, you will find all the indicators over here. If you scroll down, okay guys, let me take $15 again. Let me check. No, not yet. All right, we have this pair is almost touching. It's reaching the lower Bollinger Band. So we just need to be patient to wait for that moment. Also, something else that I explained on one of the previous video is that we can combine this strategy with the price action. We can analyze the price action, like in this case, for example, we can see that we have also a support level, which is right here. We have the CCI reaching the oversold zone. The price is reaching that support level here. So I think it could be a great opportunity to go up. Let's wait a little bit more. Yeah, let me check the USD this pair to see what is happening. We have an index here, which is the Euro Composite Index. We can trade that index too, but let me check the commodity composite. Bitcoin. What else? No, it's okay. Let's see this pair again. All right, let's do it. It's not very good, this entry. Just in case the price go lower, I will enter a $30 trades. Why did I say it's not a very good entry? Just because this kind of candlestick is very neutral candlestick. This one, and also we haven't reached the lower Bollinger Band yet. Even though we have the CCI on the oversold zone, but it's okay. I still think we can win this trade because of the zone where the price is. Here, and this zone is a very congested zone. Yes, we won this trade too, guys. So look how the price is going up. It's very interesting, this movement, but it's being rejected. It's being rejected. So in this case, I would like to wait until the price touch the lower Bollinger Band, or at least cross the lower Bollinger Band, to go up again. Okay, so meanwhile, I'll see another pair. Let me check. Let me see the USD CAD. Not very good. Let me see it again. All right. Let's stay here. Let's wait for the price to give us a signal. This is a very good signal. So as I told you, we will wait until this candlestick close, and we will see. This is a very good zone of support. But in this case, we have a very good wick for this candlestick. But I will only trade a $5 trade because it's a little bit risky. I know the price may go lower because it's building a structure in this case. So we need to wait some confirmation besides this. So guys, we are winning this trade too. See, 30 seconds, but it's risky. We have, we had a strong rejection from the sellers here. We want this trade too, guys. So guys, as you can see, you just have to be very patient enough to wait for the best entry. Okay, let me check if we can find out another opportunity. Otherwise, I will pause this video until I find a very good pair like this one. Let me see some stocks. Oh yeah, we have a stock here. All right, but this stock has to be has to be we need to make option for more than 1 minute. So I don't like this kind of investment, but it's okay. I think it's we took a very good price and we can sell. Not yet. Let's wait. How this stock, which is Tesla, behaves during 5 minutes. I think we can win that one. But anyway, let me check this pair too. This pair is good, but for me, it's offering only 30% of profit, so I don't like it. But it's a great opportunity to go up. Let me see this one. If it does this move again, or a move like this, we can get in. Let's wait. So you can see how Tesla is doing. we are still winning. I can close this trade right now. Let me check what Tesla's is doing. Alright, we are winning this trade, but I can close it now, and that's what I'm going to do. Yes. Wow. I close it just with 0.70 cents less. I close it because of the 5-minute expiration. This strategy works better on 1-minute expiration. Let's keep watching this pair that I was analyzing before. Okay, no. So guys, that's it for today. I will pause this video and I will upload a second part. So guys, if you like it, just please hit the like button and leave any comment or any question you have below this video.